Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the text you want to convert. Precision matters because only highlighted content will change. Once selected, move immediately to the top menu bar and click Format. From there, choose Text, then Capitalization. This path is built into Google Docs to avoid manual retyping. Make sure you aren't in a header, footer, or table cell unless that's where the text lives. If you want the whole doc, use Ctrl+A or CMD+A first. Then continue to the next step. Once you've opened capitalization, select uppercase and docs will transform lowercase letters into capitals instantly. This preserves punctuation, numbers, and line breaks so your layout stays intact. If only part of a sentence needed change, use precise selection before you click uppercase. Otherwise, everything selected will convert. Make sure your content uses standard alphabetic characters. Some ligatures or special script fonts may not change. Once done, visually scan the text to confirm proper names. After conversion, quickly proofread for acronyms or proper nouns that shouldn't be all caps and use Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z to revert if needed. If the capitalization option is grayed out, ensure you have edit access to the document and that you're not in a protected section like a header or comment. If a font or special character didn't convert, copy the text to a plain text editor, change case there, then paste back. This strips formatting that can block conversion. That solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.